Hi everybody, I just got a order in from Craft Outlet, and it's been a really long time since I've done an unboxing. I think since maybe like June? Maybe? It's been a while. This is all stuff for my Christmas tree. I think I ordered Friday night late. It is Tuesday, the following Tuesday at 2:15, so that's pretty good shipping. That's faster than Amazon. But as I always try to remember to mention, Craft Outlet is in Baton Rouge. I am in Louisiana, but they still shipped out Monday morning when I ordered Friday night. So if you order in the morning, you're most likely going to get your order shipped out the same day, and then it'll just they're not one of those they're not one of those companies that, you know, you place an order and then they start packing it 3.5 weeks later. Okay. And even though I just ordered this, I remember ordering none of it. And I just threw the thing on the floor, but I can never find the prices anyway. So I needed ribbon for my Christmas tree, so I have, oh, I don't like that. This is a red and white, red and white, red and white. This is not going to be the most exciting order. I guess this isn't bad. This is nice though, this canvas. See, why can't they just say that this is not canvas? Like, just say it. You say it, I won't order it, and we'll be fine. Let's look at this is not for my tree, this is just a red, white, and green. I got this to go with a ribbon that I don't think I bought now. There's a red, white, and green, dark green ribbon at Michael's that I really like. This is lime and red, which here, you're gonna have to look at this whole bow to see this ribbon. This one. Right, so that's that one. This is another, I'd say this one's more green instead of the lime, which I like. I'm gonna start stacking those up right there. These are both the same, just red and white metallic. This is a white with red metallic, red on red metallic, red and green. Oh, this is the same as this one. I like this one. This gives me elf vibes. I don't know what it is about, like, Christmas green and red. Makes me think of elves. This is a red and natural, which I will probably end up using with this one that I already had on hand. We'll see. Ombre, red and white. This one's got the snowball in it. And then 2 naturals with white in them. See, it's not a super exciting haul. I mean, it was more stuff I needed instead of stuff I wanted. Oh wait, we got this one too. I like this one though. I think this one's gonna make a maybe I'll mix this bow with this one, maybe? I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, that was just a bow I made because I was wanting to make a bow. And this one's nice. This one's nice. It's a nice heavy canvas. This one, I'm not happy about, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. And maybe I'm missing something. Like this says 100% polyester. This says, see, they both say polyester, but this is like silky. I just wish it said it on there, and it might. I don't know, but I wish it said it really big. Like Adam, don't order this one. It's not going to be a fun time. So, yeah, a pretty bow. And now that my Christmas tree stuff is here, I guess that means I have to finish cleaning up so I can put up my Christmas tree. Ugh. But yes, I think it was 13 rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, because I put this roll in there. So yeah, look forward to seeing some of these at some point. Alright guys, I'm gonna go attempt to take a nap for like the 4th time today. And I'll see you later. Bye.